All right, guys, it is a new day, so I'm currently walking down the basement. I finished painting the A-pillars from the car, from the BMW, the 335i. I painted them black. The roof liner is black. Everything is all set and done and dried. So here is what it currently looks like now. The lighting's kind of off, but you can see. Oh, I didn't tell you guys about this either, but I'll show you the roof real quick. So I'm in the basement currently, but here is the roof. So I had this package I ordered. While I wait for more LS swap parts to come, I didn't just want to upload a video and then wait like 2 weeks and then post another video and wait another 2 weeks and post a video. So I ordered this in the meantime to keep, as far as the content rolling. The washer is currently on, so don't mind it, but this is what I ordered. I already opened it just to see. But this is the Starlight liner kit. So the kit I ordered is 150 by 6.5. So it's more. It should be more than enough because I have a sunroof, so I'm not going to be doing anything too crazy with it. And then I'm going to be running this one, the cigarette lighter. On the headliner, I'm going to be running it. This is the back. I'm going to be running it down passenger side, which should be about right here, out and down the A-pillar. And then through the glove box will be the wire for the cigarette lighter. So I can plug it in and plug it out whenever I want, and it's not always on. I at least want that option. And yeah, I could snip it and then hook up to a switch and turn it on and off. Just hardwire it, which I thought about, but I mean, I don't know what's going to be easier. Probably just doing the cigarette lighter, to be honest. I got some close cuts, some snippies. And then the hole puncher that I ended up getting is just a little dowel one like this. And the whole depth from this, from when it's going to go in, you see I still have more than enough room to like get it in. But I'm not going to go the full, I guess, shaft size. I'm just going to be doing just the partial of it. So I found a table down here that I'm just going to use. Yesterday, I kind of got ahead of myself when I got the kit delivered. I ended up using a pen to mark where I think I want the holes to be. So that being said, this is what it looks like. So I went ahead and marked. I didn't count the holes like I'm supposed to, but I don't think there's 150. I think I'm going to be left with some extras, as you can see. Although it probably is more than 150. But I feel like that's not overkill. That's just enough, and it runs along the pillar or the sides of the sunroof. Runs along the side of the sunroof, and that gives me room to, disperse this how I want. Because I don't want to cluster. I just want it nice and simple, nice and clean. So we're gonna go ahead and I'm gonna go grab my tripod. I'll time lapse this, and then I'll start poking. I always wear a hood because I don't have a haircut, so don't mind this. But I have everything where I want it to be. None of it's super hot glued yet, or none of it's cut and cleaned up yet either. So wires are just ran. I have them on right now, and I'm looking at them. I'm not even gonna lie to you. It's actually raw. I wish I'd have done this so much sooner. But here, let me show you guys the final product. And I have to tuck this really big, like, I guess it's the light itself, and then it just powers or sends a light through these little strands. I have to figure out where to tuck that, and that's why I decided to change where I was going to route it, because I figure the A-pillars, or not there's no room to tuck at in the A-pillar, and I only ordered 6.5 feet. So if I run it down the side where the seatbelt bracket is, that gives me room to tuck it back in there, because it's some loose space, and then run the wire through. I'll probably have to stretch out the wire, give or take, which I'm okay with. But actually, here, I'll give you guys a sneak peek. This actually just came in the mail today. I'm waiting for a couple more parts, and then we're going to be manual swapping the 335i to the Z32 trans. So I changed. I was gonna go CD009, but I changed my mind because cost. The Z32 trans holds up about to the same amount of power, and since I'm going NA, I really don't need a 800 rated horsepower trans. So I have to change since my car was an automatic, I have to change the whole pedal assembly, but I'm keeping the brakes because the brakes were already there, and I don't want to change the boost or anything. So I'm just changing the gas pedal, and I'm adding a clutch pedal. And this is the clutch master cylinder for a 98 to 02 Camaro. So as you see, it's flimsy, and then it comes with like the little washer in the back. And I got a zip tie too, so this hose connects to an external, I guess, reservoir. And then I'm gonna have to figure out and do some custom mounting to get this inside the car, along with the gas pedal, or the clutch pedal. And then the rest of the stuff I have coming this week too, hopefully Friday, I have the, the throttle cable. I have a custom, it is a custom, but it's meant for the LS. It's a throttle cable. I ordered 36 inches of it. And then I have the pedal assembly. I have this. I think that's all that I have left coming this week. I kind of went on a binge order, so I'm not really too sure what else I have coming. But I'll keep you guys updated. So you know the deal. Like, comment, subscribe. Turn your bell notifications on so you know when I post. Yeah, I'll see you guys later.